Hello students, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we're going to do review questions of subtopic 1.1 bacteria. Choose the correct answer. The first question, protozoa are A. Multicellular organisms, B. one-celled animals, C. Members of the group Protoctista, D. Unicellular plants. The answer should be C. We know that protozoa is a group of microscopic unicellular organisms which belongs under Protoctista. So alternative C says members of the group Protoctista. This is the best answer for this question. The second question, microorganisms include A. Bacteria and some fungi, B. Viruses, C. Protozoa, D. All of the above. The answer should be D. All of the above, because microorganisms include bacteria, some fungi, some algae, virus, and protozoa, what we mentioned in the last class. The third question, viruses are sometimes not considered as living organisms because A. They do not have any of the organelles found in cells, B. They are incapable of independent reproduction, C. They cannot carry out any metabolic processes, D. All of the above. The answer should be D. All of the above, because we know that viruses are controversial. Since or being controversial means some scientists grouped viruses under living organisms because viruses are made from nucleic acid and protein, and they also reproduce even though their reproduction is significantly dependent on host organisms. Some scientists also consider the viruses as non-living organisms since viruses do not show the 7 common life processes. The third groups of scientists considered or placed viruses at the boundary line because viruses neither living nor non-living, so it's better to place them at the boundary line. The fourth question, Gram's stain is called a differential stain because it stains bacterial cells but not fungi. B. It stains some bacteria purple and others pink. C. It stains viruses but not other organisms. D. It stains some fungal cells purple and others pink. So the answer should be it stains some bacteria purple and others pink. This is the reason that Gram's stain considered as differential stain, because it interacts with peptidoglycan that found on bacteria. Fifth question, bacterial cells are different from animal cells because the bacterial cells A. are larger than animal cells, B. have no nucleus, C. have no DNA, D. have no cytoplasm. Since bacterial cells are prokaryotic cells, they don't have true nucleus, so the answer should be have no nucleus. Question number 6. The 3 main shapes of bacterial cells are A. diplococci, staphylococci, and bacilli, B. diplococci, streptococci, and bacilli, C. diplococci, streptococci, and staphylococci, cocci, bacilli, and spirochetes. So the answer should be D. Cocci, bacilli, and spirochetes are the 3 shapes of bacteria, but the first alternative A contains diplococci, staphylococci, both are cocci, and bacilli. Alternative B, it contains diplococci, streptococci, these both are cocci groups, and bacilli. C, diplococci, streptococci, and staphylococci, all are cocci group. Question number 7. Compared with gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, A. have an extra membrane outside the cell wall. B, are more resistant to antibiotics. C, produce more dangerous endotoxins. So the answer should be alternative D. All of the above are the answer to this question. Question number 8. Viruses can parasitize A, only animal cells, B, only plant cells, C, only bacterial cells, D, animal cells, plant cells, and bacterial cells. The answer should be D, animal cells, plant cells, and bacterial cells, as the recent discovery exhibited or revealed that viruses even can infect viruses themselves. Question number 9. It is true to say of bacterial cells that A, none can photosynthesize, B, only some can respire, C, none contain ribosomes, D, none contain chloroplasts. So the answer should be D, none of the bacterial cells contain specialized membrane-bounded organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, and nucleus, Golgi apparatus. Question number 10. Membrane-bounded organelles include A, the nucleus, B, chloroplasts, C, mitochondria, D, all of the above. Membrane-bounded organelles include, as we know, nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus. So the answer should be alternative D.